This $120 CarPlay screen is on sale for less than 40 bucks right now. It's universal, so it works in any car, even if your car's ancient from the 2000s. And all you have to do to set it up is stick it on and plug it into a cigarette port. Then you connect your phone through Bluetooth to get CarPlay or Android Auto, or you screen mirror your phone to watch all your favorite movies or shows. My favorite part, it comes with built-in Siri, so I can control all of this hands-free. And no matter what music app you use, it's going to automatically show up on here with all your songs and your playlists. Oh, and not to mention, it does also come with a backup camera. So if you want to get one before the sale ends, I'll leave the cheapest link right here.